Hey, have you been looking for a high quality traffic source that will get you leads, sales, and signups into your business opportunity? Maybe you've been struggling on how to get traffic and how to actually do your content, how to create videos, how to connect with people on social media, how to write emails, everything like that. Well, we got you covered. If you don't know who I am, I'm Gio Gianta. I'm a top producer and top traffic provider in the online space, and I help people to build and grow their business online. And in this video, I'm going to share with you, what actually happened with one of the customers that I had because it really hurt my heart really bad. And I love to see people get results and be able to, profit in their business, right? So typically, I try to help people, to, get results online. So when they order traffic from me, what I like to actually do is to see more what they're doing in their business so that way I can help them get the kind of results that they want. So if you order traffic from me, you can book a call with me and it's a strategy call. And what we go over in a strategy call normally is your funnel, how we can get it to convert better, up to 85% opt-in rate, and how we can actually help you make sure your emails land in the inbox and never go to spam, and also how to maintain your list. So a lot of people don't tell you this stuff. They'll just get you to order traffic and they won't give you any feedback. So I look at all that stuff, right? And I let you know how you could get more conversions with your offer as well. So typically what happened with this, particular woman was I was talking to her for about 2 years now, and we had two calls. She ordered traffic from me before, and this past time, she ordered 1,000 clicks of 100% tier one traffic from me, and she's been a part of a bunch of different high ticket, programs, and one of them she bought into this program for around $20,000, and they promised that they would do everything for her. So it was one of those opportunities where, you buy into the program and they promise to do your advertising, they promise to, get you high ticket sales, everything like that. So the part of the $20,000 that she spent was actually to pay for this company's, advertising budget, right? Which pretty much it makes it so they don't have to come out of pocket at all and they can advertise for free on your dime, which is very unethical. And these people, anytime you get an opportunity with a closer in it, their whole opportunity or their whole mission is to, close you into the opportunity and to help have you buy all the packages that they have. So pretty much that's what happened to her, and she realized that she wasn't getting any results, and they didn't show her how to manage her list properly. And so when she went to buy, traffic from me, her opportunity that she had was actually an affiliate program for a traffic store. So think about this. She spent that for 1,000 clicks, she spent $550 from me, 100% tier one. And when I opted into her page, put my name and email into her page, what happened was it went to a store for people to buy traffic. Now, when you get solo ad traffic, buying solo ad traffic for other traffic doesn't really make a lot of sense, right? And this particular store only offered her 15% commission, so she wasn't even using the traffic that she was promoting, right? And she was only getting a 15% commission. So when you go and you buy traffic, she already bought traffic for $550, and she was already in the hole, right? So even if she would have got a sale, a traffic sale, it would have been a tiny commission because she's only getting 15% commission. So I suggest if you're promoting anything, you have to make sure the offer's good and the offer's right for whatever you have. Otherwise, you're going to be in a hole, and you have to make sure it converts. So when I opted in, I asked her where her leads were going to, and she didn't know, right? So I'm like, well, where are these leads going to? I just opted into your page, And she was like, well, I don't know where they're going to, right? So um, she wouldn't really tell me because she didn't know and she didn't understand. So I got on a Zoom call with her and we were going through this. And I spent 2 hours with her to try to help her, to make sure she was going to get results, to make sure her funnel was set up. But she didn't have an email list. So, even if I would have sent the 1,000 clicks of traffic to her, the goal is to get a 40 to 50% opt-in rate, right? So you get a 40 to 50% opt-in rate. That's 500 people that are going on your email list, right? She didn't know where these people were going. So either somebody else was getting her leads, like the company who set up her funnel, or um, who knows where they would have went, right? And she didn't have her funnel set up right. So what I was trying to tell her is you have to be able to retain your leads. And what ended up happening was she got impatient. She didn't want to hear what I had to say. So I'm like, okay, well, she asked for a refund twice. And typically, I just like to try to help people so they get results and make sure I deliver their order. But she asked for a refund twice. So I'm like, okay, I'm going to give her a refund because she's not coachable. She don't really want help. She just wants to do what she wants to do. And so somebody with experience like myself, I want to see people get results. So I posted on Facebook because I really felt bad about it because I really like her. Um, she really is a wonderful woman. I've had conversations with her, everything like that. But I just felt really bad about the whole situation, and I was wondering if I did the right thing. So I got all these comments, from Debbie saying, poor girl, from Danny Youngers, who he already works with me in business, everything like that. And I've helped him a lot, and he's like family to me, right? All these people kind of have become like family. So, Danny says that I've done the right thing. There's a lot of sleaze bags in the space, and he's glad that he partnered with me because I have integrity. Evan says 100%. Oscar says, honesty is always rewarded. Robin says, unfortunately, there are people out there who are gambling, and she should have just joined you. Harry says, uh, it's good that I have people's interest at heart first, and I value them having the knowledge to be able to build their business. Albert says, it sounds like I went above and beyond for her, showing integrity. Um, there's other people on here as well. And she said, I did that ethically. Robin says, absolutely. I mean, Ralph says, I did the right thing. She didn't realize that how much I was trying to help her. And if she stays in the business for any length of time, she's going to realize that the stuff that she has isn't good. And it's probably best that I gave her her money back. And one of the things that I wanted to do was make sure that I keep my name, I keep my, reputation clean. Because if I attach my name to something and they get poor results, then that's a reflection of me, right? So, you know, Mitch says that I'm the real deal, good man all around. Um, Elizabeth says, absolutely, I did the right thing. Um, Selvin says I did the right thing. Martin's somebody that's been with me. He's in my, traffic video. If you've watched my traffic video on my store, he says top man. Monica, um, she said I did my part. Larry says that I did what I'm supposed to do. I did the right thing. It shows that I have integrity, and it's not just for the money. And then Matthew pretty much explains that people are just doing high ticket programs, and they want you to pay in because you don't understand, traffic. So they have you pay the 20 grand, and then they use your money to actually fund their whole advertising campaign. And then Ace and Rich, pretty much say that by me giving her her money back, it shows that I'm not just all about the money and I want her to get results. And, it shows that I'm really serious about seeing people, get results. Darren says, yay. And so, there's a lot of people on my post, and I really feel good about this, right? It really helped me to get a clear understanding of what I should do because I really felt bad, and I really still do feel bad about having to refund her. But if you're not coachable and you come to me and you want results, and you don't want to hear what I have to say, whatever I recommend to you, it's going to be out of the best interest for you. If you're not getting results and I recommend something, please take my advice. I'm not saying you have to, but that's in the best interest of yourself. So if you want to get, traffic from me, then come over here to, profitbuilderstraffic.com, and, there's going to be a link in the description where you could order, traffic. And what we do is we make sure that the traffic that you get is targeted to the offers that you're promoting. We make sure that your capture page and sales copy are congruent to the offer, and most importantly, that you get a high quality traffic. So where I get traffic from is from a variety of different sources, including Facebook, YouTube, Google, Bing PPC, Banner Ads, Warrior Plus, and solo ads and CPA marketing. So you're going to get a mix of different traffic from those sources, and I want to make sure that your funnel is set up the right way with the offers that you have, and I make sure that you have the highest converting pages that convert up to 85% opt-in rate, and that you actually know how to track your leads and conversion rates, because it's very important to know where your traffic is coming from and know all your stats. And I want to help you to build a list of the most engaged people who really want what you have to offer, and who are not just on your list not taking any action. So it's very important to have a highly engaged list. And so step one is you select a traffic package below. Step two is we do a strategy call and a campaign review of your offer to make sure that it is optimized to get results. Step three is we run your campaign after that. If you don't accept the strategy call, which I highly recommend you do, and then it starts within 3 days of you ordering. Here's some of the results that I have. Here's 200 clicks, 90% opt-in rate with 2 sales, and there's plenty of other testimonials right here, so take a look at this for yourself. Here's the packages right here. Here's 90% tier 1. Here's 100% tier 1. So pick the package that works best for you. Here's some of the questions that people ask. So if you have questions, chances are your questions are down there. Here's my guarantee to you. My guarantee to you is 100% real traffic. No fake traffic, no bots, no fake clicks, 100% real people. And if you have any issues, concerns, or things that you need fixed with your funnel or your traffic, or if you have any issues, please reach out to me. You can leave a message down here, and it will go to my inbox for my traffic store, or my assistant will see it. So leave your message down there, or you could reach out to me on Facebook. I showed you my Facebook page. It's Gio Ambrosianta, and if you click on the link below this video, you can get into my Facebook group where I give tips, tricks, and strategies on how to build and grow your business online. Also, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and make sure you click on the link below this video to come to this traffic store. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them below and I will get back to you. And thank you for watching this video, and I will talk to you soon. Bye for now.